Shibenta ban Snohkti lang haka North East Festival arajar arpoar ban rakhi ka jingdap bah nyup san senam ka jingyo lat luit ka ribat ka jingdap san po senam ka jingyo jilla bapura ka Meghalaya haka arpo khandai tarik uyayong arajar arpoar ka office u deputy commissioner ka Ribhoi district nongpo kala penoi ka rally ki kali arshaka lani ka bike rally ya kate ka jingya lat sedang shwa na office u DC da ka jingkawe lama u DC u arpit upadhe bat ka jingya kalong na nongpo shabernihan bat penkut shadu umroi Lasa kila yang ketika seni da kajingdan uba MB Tongper, additional DC, uba adi di Umdor, President ka Royal Enfield Riders Association, Kajilla.
First of all, everyone for this initiative of the 75 years celebration of the independence, the Azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav, and a big gratitude for all the bike participants who have graciously come here to celebrate with all of us this bike rally and your support for this thing. It's very like when I got to know that you are so much willing to be a part of this thing, it was a big thing for us.
And this is in fact a very significant day because this is the Northeast Festival, and this is how we kick off this festival. And there are three banners where we celebrate this festival. One is the Azadi Ki Amrit Mahotsav and your 50 years of Meghalaya statehood, and the most important one is Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. And this is an aspirational district, and I would just like to inform everybody here and the press here that the moment DC sir took over as DC, we were number 5th in the entire country as in the aspirational district. So big hand.
Commissioner, thank you for inviting us with this program where we are celebrating this 75 years of independence, 50 years of statehood, and then Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. And thank you, Badampe, for being kind enough to call us to participate in this rally and this celebration, Konglinda. So I wish again the best to Ribhoi district under your leadership, sir. So we hope that by the end of this year, you will be number 1. We will be, because I've been here, we will be number 1.